Hey y'all, hey. It's your girl Tandra Fit, the travel boss. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first things first, let's get into it. Let's talk about this hair. So let's do the crown cam now. So here's the hair. Alright, so this hair, I'm going to link it down below. I did get this hair from Amazon. This is boho box braids, and it is crochet. I did crochet it in. I did not do the video for it just because I just wanted to hurry up and get it done. But you guys can get this from Amazon. This is 8 packs. I have 4 cornrows going straight back. Of course, you guys know my sides are shaved. So if you want to get this hair, you can find the link down below. But you guys know I needed some vacation hair because I have my trip coming up. So this is going to be easy to maintain and deal with while I'm on my trip. I have had boho braids, box braids before done at the shop. What I don't like about the hair is when these little pieces get like tangled up and stuff. So I know with this hair I'll have to keep going through it, but let me know how you guys like this hair. Of course, you know this is my color, and I have named myself the Crochet Queen. So every time I get a chance, I'm going to put crochet in my hair. So yeah, so I wanted to hop on and do this video real quick before I leave from work for work. But I am still working on my bag. Everything is almost together. I think now we have, what, 3 or 4 days left. So just getting everything together last minute. I'm super excited. I'm going to hop on a little later and talk to you guys about the movie that we saw because I didn't get to talk about that. And I know I need to go to the vitamin store. I'm working on some things. You guys know I have PCOS. I'm on a journey, and I am now getting ready to start focusing more on my gut health. So I need to go pick up some stuff from the vitamin store. So I may take you guys with me, but you guys stay tuned. Make sure before we even move on with this vlog, you guys go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and go ahead and share. Hey, so I wanted to talk to you guys about the movie. The new Hunger Games. So the new Hunger Games, I actually did like the movie. Spoiler alert, before I even start talking about it, spoiler alert, I actually did like the movie. It was pretty good. If you haven't seen it yet, definitely go check it out. It was about like how the Hunger Games started, so it definitely kept me engaged the entire time. And I like movies like that. I'm a big, well, this one is a little bit different, but like I'm a big Harry Potter fan, and I like fantasy movies and different stuff like that. So to kind of give you an idea, like the type of movies I like. So this one was pretty good. This is not along the same lines, but it does have some stuff in there that I find, like, you know, that's not real, basically. So it definitely was a good movie. I think that there's going to be another one with the way that the movie went, how it ended and everything. So yeah, go check it out. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about is like, I don't know if you guys have written down your goals for 2024, but if you haven't, I think that that's something that's important to do, to write down your goals. And it just basically it keeps you disciplined, and it gives you something to stick to, and to kind of work towards your goals. I've been doing this for years now, writing my goals down before January, just to just kind of keep myself on track and get my thoughts out. What I will say is something that I wanted to bring up. Well, first, I wrote down my goals. I did like a mind dump last night, wrote down my goals, and after I wrote down my goals, I prayed over them and I put them in my Bible. And the reason for me doing this is because the last time I did this was when my mom told me, she told me to write down everything that I wanted and desired to have in my husband and put it in the Bible. And I did that. I did that when I was 18. And when I met my husband, I was actually 23. So I just say, I don't know what you guys believe in, but for me, I have faith. And it was important to me to do this with my goals and my desires for the future, because I know that I did it before and this is what worked for me. So definitely, I don't, if you're not a person that want to put it in the Bible or whatever the case may be, definitely write it down. If you are a person that have faith and this is something you desire to work towards your goals and put it in God's hands and work towards them, then go ahead and write it down and put it in the Bible. And let me know like what type of things you guys have done. Excuse me. Let me know what type of things you guys have done that have worked for you when it comes to just writing down your goals and things like that, helping you to accomplish your goals. So I just finished my press-ons and I got my toes done. The lady actually asked me if I wanted to get my nails done too, but I preferred to do the press-ons, so that's done. Now I'm getting ready to sit here. Hold on. I'm getting ready to sit here and close up this suitcase because I finally finished packing. That was not easy because women, our bodies go through cycles, and mine is acting crazy. PCOS is irregular, so it's kind of back and forth right now and don't know what the heck it wants to do. So I had an issue packing, but I'm getting ready to close up this suitcase. We ended up with like 3 bags, not big bags, regular size. Thankfully, I was able to get a free carry-on due to me being a travel agent. I was able to get this, so I'm super excited about that. And this is the first time I actually used this benefit. Didn't realize that I had it, but now that I know I have it, got my thing broke back there. Now that I know I have it, I'm going to use it. So I'm actually getting ready to close this vlog out after this and start the new vlog, which is the travel vlog or whatever. For our trip. But yeah, let me go ahead and close this suitcase out, and you guys stay tuned for the travel vlog. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed and you've been watching these videos, like, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe, and you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. All right, catch y'all later. Peace.